Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, you will learn how to enable text cursor indicator on your Windows 11 PC or Windows 10 PC. So both Windows PC user can try this method to enable the text cursor indicator. So for this guys, first you need to open the Windows settings on your PC. Hold Windows key button and then press I from your keyboard. This is the shortcut key to open the settings. In the settings, go to accessibility option like this, and in the accessibility in the right panel here you can get the option text cursor. Just click and open it like this, and here you can get the option to enable the text cursor indicator. From here you need to enable this. Okay, that's it. Text cursor indicator was enabled. The preview of this you can see in my screen. As you can see guys, to disable it guys, just you need to turn off this option from here. Okay, so that's it all guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.